Hi friends, how are you today? I'm back with some more crafting. First of all, if you see a shadow on my things here or some noise, it's just my cat that decided that today she wants to play with my paper. And the dog, he's on the floor trying to catch the cat. And the other cat is just watching. So I have two cats and one dog that are chasing and playing with each other, so don't worry if you hear some strange noise. Okay, I want to keep on working with my project of the carnival, and what I was thinking of doing today is, okay, let's take a sheet of paper out of this book and work on it. I was thinking of adding this half doily to this sheet of paper and make a pocket out of it, because yes, just to add some more vintage romantic look to the whole journal, because it's going to be a funny, colorful journal, but this is the signature of Columbina, and she was a nice lady. She was a waitress that fell in love with Arlequin, and they were dating each other and going to balls and masquerades, and so she was like Cinderella. She was a worker, very hard worker by day, and then she became a very joyful and happy person at night, and trying to make Arlequin very happy with her clothes and beautiful, colorful mask. Okay, so now this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to, okay, because I had a border which was not okay. So let's see if this is okay. And I was planning to not glue, but sew this down here, and as you can see, it's quite aged. So okay, I'm going to sew this with my machine, and let's see what happens. Here I am on my sewing machine, and I'm trying to make it just a simple stitch. I don't care if it's not the same size from one page to the other, because they are not going to be seen together. So I'm trying to do my best to sew at least straight, but it's not going to happen. Okay. Okay, so I have just a very simple sewing machine, and can you see? No, you can't see. Maybe here. Can you see? Okay, yes, you can. And maybe I'm going to stitch around here, or no, just here at the middle. so that it stays in place. Okay, now this should stay in place. Okay, so I'm back with my doily, which has been sewn down with machine, and I was thinking of adding a little bit of interest to this doily. So I found this piece of fabric, but I wish to make some fringes out of it, so it's not, you know, I don't like sharp edges, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to work on this paper. I have a needle here, and I'm going to work and take some of the threads out so that it gives it a little bit of interest. Okay, so my cat has decided that, okay, she has stayed here enough, so now she's going outside in the garden. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Venice, but it's quite chilly and also just a little bit windy. Yeah, it's not spring yet. We still have frozen mornings, and we have frost in the morning all over the garden, and so they are not very happy to get out of the garden very soon in the morning, and they prefer mid-morning to go out and have some fun with their friends. Okay, this is quite a tedious process, but it's not very, doesn't take a lot of time, because I like to make some fringes here. Okay, can you see it's already just a little bit different, and I can use some cheesecloth here, okay, as a base. Okay, so I need to take these threads out. I think I'm going to speed up this part of the video because it's quite boring. Okay, now it's all done, so I think I'm going to glue this piece of cheesecloth down, random, no specific place here on my pocket. It's an aged piece of cheesecloth, okay, and I always look I always like the look of antique or aged cloth. It gives it I don't know, a kind of mystery touch to my projects, and maybe I can just leave all the furry things here. Yes, I like it. I like the way it's turning out. Okay, just a few touches of glue, not too much because I am afraid it may see through. Okay, I think I like it. And this can just stay here, or maybe I will add, yes, some glue. Okay, I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, so this gives the whole project a vintage look. And that's what I really like. And then we can do something with these spare threads. Maybe we can put them here. It's not easy because I have glue all over my fingers. So it's quite horrible to use these threads and glue. But maybe I could just do something like this, you know, just a little edge. And I think it looks quite vintage. And we don't throw away a single piece of the project. And then left over, anything can be used to improve and decorate your things. Remember, this is a project like my all projects on a low budget. I cannot spend money on special tools or any extra accessory. All I find that I'm using, it comes from my family stash or drawers, or my mother's. Sometimes I go to let's say a thrift store. Here in Italy we don't have thrift stores as you are used to, but we can find beautiful things in charity shops, and especially sewing materials. Maybe you know some grandmother that passed away, and her grandchildren don't know what to do with all the sewing things that she has, and so they give it away, and then I come and grab all I can grab. So I think it's quite nice. What do you think? It's a strange thing. It's always on the theme of blue, and then we could add. Okay, let me grab something from my ephemera stash. We could have maybe this card. No, it's too big. No, it's too big. Okay, what about this here? Okay, so now we should add some golden thread here. No, it's not the style that I like, because you have to go with the style, of course. Let me see what else I can find here. No, this is too big. Oh no, no, that's perfect. I like the way it's turning out. And I used to have a doily, then my cat came in and she chewed everything. Thank you, cat. What else? What else? What else? Oh, let me think. Maybe some lace, more lace. To match this one. Yes, why not? Okay, it's not working. It's not working, the fabric tear thing with laces. No, I don't really like it. Okay, friends, I have to think of a new thing here, but maybe I should add something. Let me see. Hold on, I'm grabbing some other things here. Oh, sorry. This is my stash of fabric and laces. Maybe I could find something blue. Blue is not a color that I always use. In fact, I think I'm not going to find anything interesting here. I don't know. No, I don't know. I really don't know. There's something missing here. Something is missing. What is missing? I have no idea. Yes. I have to remember that I need to take the glue out of somewhere where she is now. I have no idea where I can find the glue. I knew I had a new bottle, but I don't know where. Okay, so double lace with some blue thread showing through. And I think it's just a little bit better like this. What else? What else? Yes, I'm going to layer I'm going to make some layers with this trim. I know that is going to be a bulky book, but that's what I like. Okay, so now we have to leave it down to dry up because it's quite sticky and it takes some time. And I can't work on this one here. Okay, so this is a very funny pocket. I think I like it as it turned out. Okay, friends, I'll go do something in my house because I need to clean the floors of the kitchen, and it's Sunday morning, so I need to cook something for the week. So if I have time, I'll be back in the afternoon. If not, have a good and beautiful and wonderful weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.